This is a trial run. Going to see if it works. This is my new setup. This is part of the newsroom recording that we're going to do. Live footage. Hopefully later when we get together we'll be having more than one person participating in this other than just me. Well, it ought to be fun. In the meantime, I'll see how this goes. See how if I can work it out. Alright? Bye. Nice to see y'all.